Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a little how-to video. My last video I tried to film didn't go well, but let's get into it. This video is how to change your AC control panel. Your AC, heat, and everything control panel. This one. Alright guys, first what you want to do, first you want to disconnect your battery, alright? And just in case something might happen, you know, because you want to be safe and I don't get going, but okay, you want to get in your 2005 through 10, whatever model you have, Jeep. You want to take this off, but I don't know, this is how I do it. You take this off. There should be a clip there. Now we go and do this. Get that there, and there. Okay, those are all off. No clips broken. Good. Okay, what you want to do, you have to pop this trim off here. Nice and slowly and easily. You don't want to break it. This off, it'll be like clips like this here. None of them are broken. Now what you want to do, get your screwdriver again, pop this panel off right here. It's nice wooden panel, trim, plasticky panel. Pop that off, and there you go. Now what you want to do is go to here, pop that off. Pop it off there too, at the bottom. Well, that one's always a little bit tricky. Okay, got that one. And that one. Okay, now we got it off. What you want to do, okay guys, what you want to do is take these tabs off. That goes to there. That black ones go to the top. You have to pinch these top things and pull them out. But I'll get you guys when I'm done. Okay, got the panel off. For this things, you have to push down. You have to get a screwdriver and push down on this tab and lift it up. Gray goes at bottom. This goes at top. This goes on this one. Gray, white, black, another smaller gray. And that goes there, and this goes there. Okay. If you do that, you want to get your number matching thing and replace it. I'll get to you guys. Alright guys, I had a little bit of problem. That stupid thing on that other one, this one didn't come with it, so I had to get that stupid thing off. So what you had to do, a little extra part. You see these black tabs in there? You want to push them down. I see no videos online. Push them down, then they should pop out. You have to put some effort into it. Okay, let's put these back together. Let's first start with this black one. This one just pops right into there. Yes, as you could see, this one with my hand, that pops right into there. Let's get these stupid things out the way first. White one at the top. Mopars, come on. Oh, there we go, glove off. It should be easier. Okay. You see? Is that the right spot? Let me check. No. That goes like that. And this one goes all the way up into here. Just like so. Let's try to get this gray one in before we get the other last one in. Gray one in like so. Click, click. And this one. Come on. Come on. Just hook backwards. Just like so. There we go. You can see all like that. Now what you want to do, get it. Tell it some frets. Get in there or else your child will die. There we go. See, I don't want the child to die. Now look at that. Now we pop this bad boy back in. Just like so. Get this thing, make sure it's just like this. Because they have to be like that. Like so. There we go. Last but not least, the vent thing. That pops into there. Just like that. And there we go, guys. Now, you swap your unit. Last thing, connect the battery. Yeah, they're saying don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And share it for friends. I don't know what they said there, but unit on. There we go. There we go. See? There we go. There guys, if you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.